there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you. For this layout, I will be using the Soar and Roar collection by Kim B. This one has some fun patterns, which is usually what catches my eye when I'm looking for a new kit to buy. And this one is kind of themed for children. And I guess I do have a son, although I think I might have bought this one anyway. I don't really use too many of the themed elements in this kit. I stick mostly to the more generic ones, even though I do have some cute pictures of Magnus here. My spreads, because they're just photos from the week, are rarely really focused on a particular theme or something. So I like a good general bundle. So even if it does have a slight theme, I'll look to make sure that there's enough general interest so that I will actually use the kit. So I'm just getting my paper set here in the background, just kind of trying to spread out the busy patterns with more neutral patterns, and also alternating my dark colors with my lighter colors to just kind of keep things interesting and balanced. And now I'm adding in some nice word art that was included in this kit. And then I will start adding in some elements. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.